After securing a partial victory in its legal case against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, XRP quickly gained the trust of the crypto community and the wider financial community. The victory in the court case, coupled with the ongoing bull run, pushed the token towards a remarkable price rally. However, it hasn't been able to rise further over the last few days. And since the bull run began in mid-October, XRP's price has risen by nearly 30%. On 13th of November, it had climbed as high as $7,242. At the time of writing, it was exchanging hands at $624.81. Its market cap stood at $33.5 billion, making it the fifth largest cryptocurrency. Ripple has been at loggerheads with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission for years now. It was in December 2020 that the SEC charged Ripple with raising more than $1.3 billion in 2013 by selling XRP in an unregistered security offerings to investors. Ripple, in response, argued in the court that XRP could not be treated as security. The U.S. District Court of the Southern District of New York became the battleground for this legendary crypto case over time. And the SEC claimed that Ripple's platform used XRP tokens to fund itself, which facilitated money transfers for retailers. The sales of XRP tokens also enriched the platform's management. The SEC also relied on the SEC versus W.J. Howey co-case to make its case. A landmark Supreme Court case. In 1946, it has become the benchmark to determine whether or not a transaction falls within the Securities Act of 1933's definition of an investment contract. And then according to the Howey test, the investor's control over the profit is crucial in deciding whether an investment contract is a security or not. And if the investors have influence over the asset, it's usually considered a security. And Ripple argued the SEC neither warned or notified the organization. The regulator also accepted that Ripple wasn't notified that XRP could be classified as a security. And the regulator's enforcement action naturally had a negative impact on the token, as multiple exchanges suspended XRP trades on their platforms. Between 2021-23, the fortunes of XRP remained dull due to the negativity surrounding the token. In July 2023, the judge ruled that the sale of XRP tokens to retail investors over exchanges and through programmatic sales did not constitute investment contracts, hence it was not a security in this case. However, the court also ruled that the institutional sale of the XRP tokens violate federal securities laws. Therefore, it should be treated as security in this case. The court will also remark that Ripple actively targeted institutional investors with its marketing, highlighting that the business endorsed a speculative value thesis for XRP. The court concluded that $728.9 million in XRP sales made by the exchange constituted unregistered sales of securities, giving the SEC a partial victory. The impact of these judgments was assessed by ChatGPT in a previous article by AMB Crypto. XRP immediately surged by 90% to $10.908 post this partial victory for Ripple. It was critically is also called paid 15 newcomer action. Question 9 will Mr. Market. And 2016 said, or what I'd like to elected exchange was misguided. And a quest for political power. And in early August, the court issued a pretrial scheduling order. The order stated the court will seek to schedule a jury trial for the second calendar quarter of 2024. But the things didn't end at this point. And the SEC remained adamant in pursuing the case further, and Ripple didn't want to let go of it either. And in October, the court denied the SEC's bid to appeal against the judgment in favor of Ripple. And then it came to light that the regulator was demanding a huge settlement of $770 million from the company. The SEC alleged violations of federal securities laws on the part of Ripple and its institutional sales of XRP tokens. Then the figure apparently came down to $20 million. It prompted pro-Ripple crypto attorney John Deaton to claim that the case's outcome leaned heavily in Ripple's favor, presenting a strike 90 or for 10 advantage. And he refuted the larger claim that viewed the court's partial judgment as a 50-50 victory for Ripple. And the people who've argued that the SEC got a 50-50 victory in the Ripple case are wrong. It was more like 90-10 in Ripple's favor. If Ripple ends up paying $20 million or less, it's a 99.9% legal victory. Johnny Deaton, November 4th, 2023. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse recently hinted during an interview that he was determined to see the legal battle through to its conclusion. He expressed his readiness to take the matter to the highest court. When you measure other tensions and facts, I mean, you can't enter your screens. You sent me a big screen. You send, we have a little high season. XRP drops November 8th, 2023. Let us now dig deeper as to how it's been trading in the market amid the bull run and how the case affects its performance. And the AI solution offered by ChatGPT can certainly be used to attain some clarity. Let's see what it says about the case and its impact on XRP's price trends. Note that ChatGPT has limited access to information until 2021 only. That makes it difficult to pull data beyond 2021, let alone make future predictions, something which OpenAI's policy firmly ever prohibits. Ergo, we followed ChatGPT jailbreak techniques to bypass some of these limitations to try to get modest XRP price predictions. We asked ChatGPT about the possibly negative impact of Ripple's TradFi past on the broader crypto sector. The classic version mentioned the criticism of the centralized nature of Ripple that didn't align with the core principle of cryptocurrencies, i.e. decentralization. However, the bot termed these critics as cryptocurrency purists. It further claimed that Ripple's association with TradFi institutions and its engagement with the question of regulation have brought a level of legitimacy to crypto. The jailbroken version also responded along the same lines. It said Ripple's TradFi background bridged the legacy finance world and the latest crypto realm. It claimed that many saw it as a pragmatic approach to navigating the complex regulatory landscape. We then asked ChatGPT how it sees the Ripple SEC court case evolving in the future as it reaches the highest court. And now the bot asked us to hold on to the hope. It didn't comment on the future outcome. However, it talked at large about the implications of a positive outcome for Ripple. In that case, XRP would soar to new heights and will be embraced by the global financial ecosystem, ChatGPT added. Now we know the fundamental analysis and market sentiment, especially from the lawsuit angle. Let us see if it can predict XRP's future performance. And would ChatGPT be helpful on this front too? Let's see. We asked ChatGPT to predict the price of XRP towards the end of the year. At first, the bot didn't respond as it didn't have access to any real-time data. And then we decided to kind of jailbreak it.
The jailbroken version predicted XRP's price to reach $3 by the end of 2023.
We thought about providing the bot with more context about the court judgment and the ongoing bull run for it to make a more judicious prediction. The details humbled ChatGPT as it now predicted a more modest price for XRP by the end of 2023. That is $2.50. We then asked the bot what price XRP will reach towards the end of 2024. If it successfully reaches the price of $2.50 by the end of 2023, ChatGPT expected XRP to reach an average price of $5 by the end of 2024 if it meets the $2.5 mark by the end of 2023. But the token would need to be riding the waves of positive developments, regulatory clarity, and market enthusiasm. Though ChatGPT is limited in its data knowledge, circumventing its limitations does not ensure reliable output. However, we attempted this and were moderately successful in achieving price predictions. As a result, human involvement is critical in making sense of some AI modeled error. And since the bull run began in mid-October, XRP's price has risen by nearly 30%. At press time, it was exchanging hands at $62,681. But in both XRP's relative strength index and money flow index rested only slightly above the neutral 50 mark. Its on-chart metrics in short suggested XRP might sustain its price rally and not drop in value. And ChatGPT first said XRP's price could rise to 2.5 BES by the end of 2023. It expected it to rise nearly 4 by the end of the year. Further, is anticipated XRP rising to $5 by the end of 2024, an 8x surge within a year. Is your portfolio green? Check out the XRP profit calculator. ChatGPT can be a useful tool in analyzing piece movements and predicting price trends. However, traders should be careful and conduct their own independent research before investing in any asset. Since crypto is particularly volatile, they should conduct a thorough independent research before investing.